Hello, and welcome to Super Simple Recipes with Wildlife Crystal. All of my recipes here are very easy to make with simple ingredients. Today is no exception, and of course, they're amazing for parents who are cooking with their families, teachers with their students, and today is a fun one because today we're cooking for our dogs. Just like we care about the ingredients we put in our kids' food, we also care about the ingredients that we put into our furry family members' food. So of course, again, I will be discussing all the nutritional benefits of each ingredient we put into this delicious dog treat recipe. I hope you enjoy.
First, we're going to preheat the oven to 375 Fahrenheit and line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Next, in a food processor or a blender, add the oats and blend or pulse until the oats have turned into a fine flour. Then, in a mixing bowl, mash that ripe banana using a fork. Next, add the oat flour that you just made and 2 heaping tablespoons of peanut butter to the bowl mixed together well. It should turn into a sticky dough. Next, using your hands or a spoon, create about 1-inch round balls and place them on the baking sheet around 1.5 inches apart. I like to make shapes like hearts, or take a fork and smash them into round cookies. Once you've used all the dough, place the tray in the oven and bake for 8 to 9 minutes until golden brown. Make sure you let them cool before you give them to your puppy. Amelia is obsessed with these healthy little cookies. She ate every last crumb.